Hi there and welcome to TechPlower. I finally got the Apple Watch Series 5. I had to jump some hoops to get the exact version I wanted. Here I have the Apple Watch Series 5 Nike Edition. So it's an aluminum space gray. It's 44mm and also cellular. So here's my unboxing and first impressions of the Apple Watch Series 5. Let's start by looking at the box. On the top here we have Apple Watch and the Nike logo. On the sides we have nothing. I can show you. It's just black. And on the bottom here we have some information about the watch, and here you see that it's 44mm space gray aluminum case. And a small red dot that shows that this is a cellular watch. This time I don't need my trusty unboxing knife because Apple has provided a flap to pull on to take the plastic off. So let's listen to the plastic sound. It's turned around. And there it is, uncovered and naked. I have to admit, I'm a little bit excited to open this box. So let's not wait any further and open the box. And this time around, we don't pull the top part off. We turn the box around and we have these flaps here to open. So let's do that. And we have these beautiful images of different versions of the Apple Watch. And as we can see here, we have the Nike edition of the Apple Watch. You can move this to the side. And on the bottom here, we have the band that is included. It's the black sports band. So let's look at that first. We have a flap here to open it. Inside we have probably some small information. Small information about the band. And here we have some instructions on how to remove the band and put it on. So here we have it, the black sports band in two different sizes. It looks quite nice. But this is not what you were looking for when clicking this video. It's the watch itself. So let's have a look. And now we pull the top part off. Ta-da! We have the watch. But now we have to smell the box. Yes, we have the typical Apple smell here. So here we have designed for athletes by Apple and Nike. So let's see what we have here. We have some more instructions. How to use the watch. Let's see, some language that I understand. Yeah, it's just instructions to help you get going with the watch. We know all about that. We have the European charging brick. And then the charging pad. I guess with USB-A. Let's open it up and see. Yep, it's the ordinary USB-A. And this is exactly the same as with my own watch. That is Apple Watch Series 2. Yeah, it's quite an old one. We have some plastic on this one. Let's remove that. Like that. And it's the same length of the cable. I wish they had a longer cable with this one. So let's look at the main attraction, the Apple Watch itself, waiting to be picked up from the box. Let's see. It's in a nice sleeve here. Pull it out. And it also has a plastic on the screen. So let's remove that. And on the bottom here, we see that this is the Nike version of the Apple Watch and the Series 5 branding. 44mm. And we see on the red circle here that this is the cellular version. So that was it in the box. So let's turn it on for the first time. See the Apple logo. Take some time to start. While it's starting, let's take the band and put it on. So I'll take the larger one for me. And everything from Apple is covered with plastic. Let's move this one. And we don't have any more plastic on it. So let's put the band on. Clicks into place. And this side as well. And now the Apple Watch has finished starting up and is asking me to set it up. And even though I haven't set it up, let's try it out on my wrist. Let's take the Apple Watch Series 2 off my wrist. Make space for the Apple Watch Series 5. I don't know, it kind of feels heavier than the Apple Watch Series 2. Click it in place. Slide this under. And here it is. We obviously see that the Apple Watch Series 5 has a larger screen than the Apple Watch Series 2. Really nice, and it's a little bit thinner as well. It fits really well on my hand. So if we take it off and compare it a little bit to the Apple Watch Series 2, on that underside we see some difference. We have different sensors. We have the new heart rate sensor on the bottom of the Apple Watch Series 5 and some other materials. But in general they look quite similar. A little bit darker, a little aluminium color on the Apple Watch Series 5. But it looks really nice. This was my unboxing and first impressions of the Apple Watch Series 5. I really hope you liked it. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. See you in my next video.